Okay.
Hi, so now we're going to talk about social distancing. Scientists know that the only way to stop the virus is to stop it from being able to move from person to person, and that requires social distancing. Social means people, and distancing is the amount of space needed to keep the germ from being able to move from person to person. In this case, scientists think that this means 6 feet. So it could mean 2 arms lengths, or if you take your feet and go 1 foot after the other and counting 6 times. So scientists want us to stay 6 feet away from everyone else so that the germ can't move from person to person. Because if it can't find someone to live in, it will eventually die. The idea is to keep it from living on people and sanitizing all the surfaces it can temporarily live on until it has nowhere to live. With nowhere to live, it will die. And that will give us time to invent a vaccine that will protect us from this virus in the future. Why shelter in place? Everyone's probably asking, why do I have to stay at home? Sheltering in place means that everybody, and I mean everybody, goes to their house, closes their door, and stays inside until the emergency is over. It's a step past social distancing. In the past, we've sheltered in place for a short time when a shooter was on the loose or in some of the rural areas when an animal was on the prowl. This time, the threat is invisible. It means we can't see them, and we need to protect ourselves from this virus. But social distancing can only go so far because people forget and touch each other. Or they touch their face and then touch the doorknob, and on and on. And there's more. This germ takes about 2 weeks to incubate, which means that a person carries the germ in them for about 14 days before they begin to show signs of sickness. And they can be infecting people and surfaces for at least part of that time. So we have to stay away from each other for more than 2 weeks in order to know that nobody is still going to get sick and pass around the germ. It also lives a long time on surfaces, so everything the infected person touches can also pass on the virus for a long time.